I'm Robert Barnes with Fence Makeovers. Good example, our neighbor here next door, that is a solid latex based stain. You don't have to do red. You can do brown, white, purple, green, whatever color fits your palette. You can definitely do. Doing a solid latex based stain, you are going to eliminate a lot of the inconsistencies when it comes to, like I was showing you on this fence here. Easiest way to cosmetically clean it up, make it look as good as we can, is we're going to stain it in a solid latex based stain. I know a lot of you guys are probably thinking, latex, why does that sound familiar? It is a paint based stain, so yes, it is going to look opaque looking. However, we're going to spray it on with a 40 to 60 psi, so it's going to be a very thin coat. I don't know if you guys can see on the neighbor's fence here, it is a very thin coat, so it's just enough for the wood to get coated properly where it doesn't look thick like what a lot of people imagine a paint would look like. Going through with a solid latex based stain, you are going to have a very nice consistency and color. So for example, on the neighbor's fence, same exact problems. Water damage, sprinkler damage, there was even hail damage. However, with this one being done in a solid latex based stain, you can't physically see the damage because we've painted over it. And I know a lot of people out there kind of go, I don't want paint, paint looks cheap. All it depends on is your color. That's really the big thing there. Homeowners out there, a big thing we always try to tell customers is take a look, take a walk around your property. What color palettes do you have? What color is your brick? Things like that. For example, the house we're working on today, if you look at their brick, you're going to have a very classic red, and you have some black brick mixed in. So color recommendations, I would stay away from red. And the reason for that is, going with the red, you're going to look at your fence. This is the big thing. When you look at the fence after it's been done, you'll look at your fence, you'll look at the brick and go, why does my fence look really, really red compared to what I picked at the store? Big reason, because you're comparing without realizing you're doing it. We do that every day on a daily basis. So walk your property, take a look at colors you have already on your house that fit better. Something like this, what I would suggest is, I would suggest a cedar tone, a natural cedar tone is what I would recommend. To us, we customly make all of our stains. So with that said, our solid sable is what I'd recommend for this. And the reason for that is, with the solid sable going on this, we're gonna, every problem on this fence, by going with the solid sable, we are gonna color coordinate everything to blend better. And two, when we look at the house versus the fence, we're gonna look and go, that color-wise fits the palette of what's going on here on the property.